अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीरें, अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीरें, हर फ़र्द है मिल्लत के मुक़द्दर का सितारा। Respected teachers, sirs and all my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Anita Noor from class 10th. Today I am here to say a few words on youth and their responsibilities. First of all, who comes under youth? According to National Youth Policy 2014, Government of India, all the people between the ages of 15 to 29 comes under youth. Youth is a joy. It is a phase in life in which small children comes out of their protective shells and are ready to spread their wings in the world of hopes and dreams. It is a time of development. It is a time of growth and change. Youth plays an important role in the development of society. Youth is a backbone of society and determines the future of the society. Nelson Mandela once said, "The youth of today are the leaders of tomorrow." I repeat, the youth of today are the leaders of tomorrow. The above statement means that the skills, values and knowledge which are instilled in today's youth will shape them into a future leaders who will drive progress and make significant contributions to society. Youth and life indeed itself flashes by in the blink of an eye. That is why you need to ask yourself what you can do for the society and the country. Youth must start thinking positively and creatively. Youth should not take an easy and comfortable path. No one develops in a pampered environment. So, what are the responsibilities of youth? The first and most important responsibility of the youth is to fulfill their dream first. It means having a burning desire that goes and that can help them to achieve success and their country's success. If every youth of a country understand what he is mean to be born and why he is here to do, the country will be the next superpower within 5 to 10 years. इक़ाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, इक़ाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, नज़र आती है उनको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में. The next responsibility of the youth is to value their time. Every minute is crucial for them to take any action. Time is more valuable than money. Lost money can be earned, but lost time cannot be. घड़ी की टिक टिक को मामूली न समझो, घड़ी की टिक टिक को मामूली न समझो, ये ज़िंदगी के दरख्त पर कुल्हाड़ी का वार है. The next responsibility of the youth is to be in discipline. Discipline helps to work in a planned manner. Youth is full of passion and without discipline youth cannot work passionately. Self-discipline enables goal setting and the ability to overcome challenges. Your level of success is determined by your level of discipline and perseverance. The next responsibility is to think before taking any action. Youth must not be impulsive. It is very important to think before taking any action. By this, youth can create a thoughtful society. Before you react, think. Before you spend, earn. Before you criticize, wait. And before you quit, try. The next and the last responsibility of the youth is to be character driven. Character builds up a nation. The young people should be morally strong and dedicated from which they can take corrective actions for the nation. So, these were the responsibilities of youth. I end by saying, मेहनत करने वालों की सफलता पक्की होती है, मेहनत करने वालों की सफलता पक्की होती है, युवाओं के हाथ में ही देश की तरक्की होती है. Thank you one and all.